moon of Missouri keep on shining. I feel like I got mooned. Oh man. Good morning, guys. We are getting up and moving around. Welcome to Lad's Garage, the Trucking Diaries. We are getting ready to leave Montgomery. Let's say Montgomery City, because this is the kind of area I know of. There's a racetrack not too far away, or used to be a racetrack, just a few miles back that way, yonder ways. Always wanted to race there. Made it up there one time. Camped out overnight up there. Rained out the next morning. Learned that I could buy a brand new tent, waterproof tent. And I found out which end was waterproofed. The bottom end. Because it rained in that tent and it held the water. I woke up in like 4 inches of water. The adventures of the youth. We're going to get out, check things out. Hopefully we don't have any more parts that's falling off this thing. We're already down one stag. So I guess we're going to get some mufflers done this weekend. Top of the muffler rotted off. We're going to look into that a little bit more too, because I don't know, C-clamp is just barely hanging on there. I don't know if I need to wrap a strap around it or not. I'll keep an eye on it and figure it out as I go, I guess. Yeah, man, that looks hideous. We'll have to look and see. I tugged on it yesterday on the stack, the muffler. See if it's going to hold. I don't know. Seems pretty stout. Guess we'll give it a shot and see. Well, it's not necessarily ideal, but it's better to be safe than sorry. Double half hitches. Boy Scout. It's a lot more sturdy now than what it was. The heat shield shouldn't get hot. Got brackets on the inside. It should hold it. We're good. Still can't believe it. I came really close one time with snowball, but it was rusting around the outside edges of the muffler. So I was able to see that when it started rotting out. This one here rotted from the inside out. So the stack slides over the top of the muffler and it rotted inside of there. So I couldn't see it. Whereas on Snowball, the muffler just ate through. So we're gonna make a phone call here in a little while, see if we got the parts in stock, or get them in stock for the weekend and get them put on. So Billy's like, why don't you just have it straight piped? No, my ears can't handle it. I mean, this truck wouldn't be as loud with all the emissions on it, but at the same time, I enjoy the sort of peace and quiet that I have. So we're gonna get going. We gotta go. Well, buddy, enjoy your ride over there. Really, you need to be outside where you belong. They can't have you flopping around, possibly getting lost in the wilderness. There you go. You know what? You stay right there. I'm gonna get out, unchain this load, so we can get unloaded. There you go. Get rid of this stuff. You gotta start having good luck eventually. Get the right gloves out. Maybe Kyle will show up and unload us. Hopefully he don't show up after I unchain it all and say, oh, we're going to take you over to the other yard. We're empty. That looks horrible. We're gonna make our phone calls and get on down and get loaded. Boy, Kyle, he got a full truckload right there on that lift. Full truckload. I told you. I don't know where he's going for the other truck, but just a little day cabber. I don't know. Just by looking at it, you wouldn't think that little lift to carry that much weight, but it do. It really do. You didn't pee in the floor, did you? Oh, I hope not. Whew. Well, problems keep piling up, I guess. Getting fuel and found some antifreeze leaking. And found I got a coolant line with a pinhole in it. So, I'm gonna see if we can't find a place to get one made. It's a metal line, so I don't know. And a swing and a miss. They don't do metal lines like I need. So, I don't know. Guess we'll call the old man and see what he's thinking. That's the only other thing I know to do at this point. Let's try this place. Hoyt's Truck Repair. See if they got anything to help. So here's the situation. This line here is a coolant line. It goes in the top of the air compressor. It runs down. It kind of loops around. It goes in front of the fill tube for the oil pan, and it turns into a metal line. It runs down, but it's got a pinhole in it. Let's see if I can find it and move it a little bit and show you. Hand out of the way. Yeah, I can't get a hold of it, but kind of see it dripping down there. Tip my finger there. Either way, it runs down to the other side of the engine, so that's the issue. Hey, I'm going to say that little hole right there is the culprit. There you go. Well, we did good. Didn't lose hardly any antifreeze. There you go. Maybe like 3 or 4 drops. We're going to go in and see. They got a couple cases just in case. We got it together. Building up air pressure. I'm going to pull up where I'm out of the wet stuff out there. Then I'm going to go through and button everything up so we can get rolling. We just got everything buttoned up. I even got my valve changed out back here. Hear anything? It's still here over there somewhere. Let's see here. Yeah. Just coming out of the air line. That ain't bad. I don't know where it's coming from. Yep, just the air line. So we'll get that fixed up real quick and we'll be on our way. Okay. Hey, we got stuff leaking. We'll check it later. We got it slowed down enough. I ain't worried about it. There you go. What else could happen this trip out? Hopefully nothing bad. I don't want to jinx myself, but I need a break. We are loaded up. Pulling out of the quarry now, or working on it anyway. I ain't even gonna try to make it far today. I got a headache, hot, I smell horrible, covered in antifreeze. Rough day. So we're gonna go to the TA and take care of at least the stinkiness. At the minimum, that's what we're going to do. Get a nap in. So hopefully we got everything fixed and lined out. That gum trucks, I'm telling you. We're out of here. We're in now. absolutely beat. This old truck is taking it out of me today. So far I don't see any leaks, so we're good there. I just don't have it in me to check for the air leaks or anything like that at the moment. So we're gonna go in, get a shower bag, go get us a shower, and see if I can't get rid of my little bit of a headache I got. Heck, yeah. I don't know if it's heat or sinuses, dust, or what. I got done working on the truck. I got this splitting headache. I try not to do anything with Tylenol or any of that crap, but I might end up having to get some. I don't know. Maybe my sugar just getting low. I don't know. We're gonna get a shower. We'll figure it out. I always do. And we feel a little bit better. Shower definitely relaxed me. Yes. All I wanted was a Frosty. I didn't want a drink, but they gave me a drink anyway. We're going out. I think we're gonna wrap the night up, eat our dinner, edit this video, call the family, go to bed. Finish our trip in the morning. Then we're taking Labor Day weekend off. I gotta say, if any of the guys watch this video by chance, or know any of the guys that work there, I'd like to thank the guys at Hoyt's Truck Center, or Truck Centers, I think it is, there in Emporia, Kansas. Man, everybody dealt with there was top notch. Get me up and going. Granted, I did the work, but they were there if I needed them. We got it going. They had what I needed. Reasonably priced too, so. And they even had my valve I've been trying to get for a couple weeks, so. Shout out to those guys. If anybody knows them, tell them I gave them a shout out. So, I guess until tomorrow, God bless you. Stay safe out there.